Okay, so we've shown you the 6 simple steps of how to install the roof access hatch commercial. The example we're showing here is on a pre-weathered upstand or builder's curb. Firstly, start by applying a liberal coat of sealant to the top of the upstand. Ensure that the mastic is suitable for the waterproofing that's applied. It's compatible with it. Once you've put the sealant onto the upstand, you then two-man lift the access hatch onto the upstand and then open the lid and centralise it neatly on the internal curb side. Once that is done, measure out on the aluminium cowl the appropriate position for the fixings. We recommend 100mm in from each corner and then either centralise the fixings or ensure there's no more than 300mm gap between them. Then drill through the aluminium covering flashing with a suitable drill. If the curb is of concrete or metal, you may want to choose appropriate fixings for going into that material. We supply fixings with the product, which are to suit a timber upstand. You may need to use raw plugs if it's a concrete curb of the appropriate type, but we supply a sealer washer, a spreader metal washer, a fixing, 50mm fixing. This is a security fixing, one-way fixing, which you can install with a posi drive screwdriver. And then finally place the cover cap over the top of the fixing to ensure that the fixing is waterproof.